Do you like the layering that Max has done here?
I do. I think
Okay,
that's cool.
good.
Yeah, that's awesome. So yeah, just play like smallish to biggish. And then the Limpopo reprise, we've got to see you really being pissy.
Yeah, like, I keep throwing them up at the end of the camera.
I think maybe the camera's not on.
It's not on.
Okay. And that's on.
We're gonna go from the same place. There's Skinner for feathers.
Cut them off, it's time.
Cool. Then yeah, let's do that.
I don't know if I can like.
Hell yeah. Yeah, let's go. Cool. Thank you. So yes, we're not gonna do. Yep.
Yes.